Welcome back to another video. This one is about 5 trading strategies with EngineeringRobo, the indicator that I use on all my charts. Let's jump straight into it. Strategy 1, shorting and using the 3-hour time frame. Checklist. We need to be checking the AI dashboard. The daily chart on 1 day is bearish and the 3-hour has just turned bearish with an AI sell signal. The entry criteria for strategy 1, shorting on a 3-hour time frame. Open a short position on a 3-hour time frame as long as the AI intelligence score is red 4 or red 5. Volatility must be 4% or higher. Volume needs to be normal or high. These checkpoints for these entry criteria are absolutely critical because without the volatility, without the volume, without the intelligence score being in the parameters that we need it to be, the move could be fake. So how would you manage this trade? You could go as high as 20x leverage on this, but you need to be careful that you are not risking more than 2% of your trade. 0.5%, 1% is doable, especially with 20x leverage. Close the 50% of your position when you make 100% profit and close the rest with AI buy. That's strategy 1. Let's move over to strategy 2. Again, shorting on the 3-hour. So the checklist, very similar. Check the AI dashboard. Make sure that the daily chart is bearish and the 3-hour has just turned bearish with the AI sell signal. Entry criteria for this one. Open a short position on the 3-hour time frame whilst the candle is below the hodl line. And we're looking for volatility to be 4% higher and the volume to be normal or high. So the hodl line is an AI line that pulls in a lot of parameters to actually plot this one. It's more than a moving average. Now I will use my videos to show the hodl line going forward. Risk and trade management, similar to strategy 1, 20x leverage, 2% max trade, close your 50% of your position when you make 100% profit and close the rest with the AI buy signal. Strategy 3, longing on the 3-hour. The AI dashboard is key as it pulls in so many parameters. The daily chart has to be bullish. 3-hour has just turned bullish with the AI buy signal. What are we looking for our entry criteria for this one? Open a long position on 3-hour time frame while the AI intelligence score is green 4 or green 5. Volatility needs to be 4% higher. Volume normal or high. Risk and trade management is exactly like the same before. We want to be banking in those profits and we do want to keep half of that position open as long as the AI sell signal is presented. The indicator keeps you in trades for longer and keeps you out of bad trades as well. Let's move on to strategy 4, very similar to strategy 2. Always checking the AI dashboard, making sure that the daily chart on 1 day is bullish. The 3-hour has just turned bullish with the AI buy signal. Entry criteria, open a long position on the 3-hour time frame while the candle is closing above the hodl line. Volatility has to be 4% or higher and the volume must be normal or high. So we've got momentum carrying this trade higher and higher. Risk and trade management is the same as before. Just be careful with the leverage. Strategy 5. This is for short-term or scalpers that are looking to sell on the 5-minute. It's a checklist. Again, the AI dashboard is key to everything that we are doing with EngineeringRobo. Daily chart is bullish. A 45-minute is also bullish with an AI buy signal. However, 15-minute is bearish with an AI sell signal. How would you enter this? Open a short position on the 5-minute whilst you see a 5-minute AI sell signal. Volatility has to be 50% or higher on the 5-minute time frame. Volume needs to be normal or high and the intelligence score is a red 4 or red 5. This will ensure that sentiment is negative and the volatility and the volume will carry that trade downwards on this one. That's it for the strategies. I will show examples of these in action on a future video.